Hey y'all, it's Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee Stream. Today we're doing Cup of Crushing. Why? How is crushing one of them? It's thick and heavy, like a weight dropped on me the moment I took a sip. It feels like something is pressing down on my chest, crushing me from the inside out. My chest feels tight, and I can't shake the feeling of being trapped under this weight. The pressure doesn't let up. What should I do? I don't know what to do. I guess just wait until the freaking effects go away. I don't know. So yeah, that is the Cup of Crushing. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.